dollars, do they?
No, not in the US anyway.
You know what I mean? So I want you to actually take a more active role in your own country's currency and just watch it. Just watch it over time. You've watched it for the last few years go from, what's the lowest you saw it?
54 cents.
54 cents. Who remembers when it was 54 cents? Yeah. Who remembers when it sat around 60, 68, 70 for ages? You know what I mean? No one went anywhere. They all moved to Queensland because they didn't have to go anywhere. And so we know where you guys came up, right? So it's understanding and knowing the power of all of this. And then suddenly you've got this, Kel, yeah?
Like Lou said, I like to look at my trading accounts as like little greenhouses, yeah? Because little greenhouses become big red hotels. But you have to be patient. And the thing about it is, if you buy an investment property, you don't go drive past it every day and go, wow, man, it went up $1, Or if the property market goes a bit flat or something, you don't shit yourself and go, oh man, I lost $12.50. I better sell the house. You know what I mean? So to be a trader and to trade systems is to have a long-term view and know and trust that over the long term it'll work out okay. Yeah? They'll go up, they'll go down, they'll go up, they'll go down, but if you can have a long-term view, man, shit happens and everything works out for the best, But don't panic about it and just let it unfold, The worst thing you can do as a trader is, if you start trading someone's system, doesn't matter, it's mine, anybody's, you know what I mean? And it goes up for a while and you think, man, that guy's pretty cool, I made $1,000. Yeah, and then we hit a period where we go into a drawdown and suddenly you're down $1,000. Man, that guy's an idiot, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Stop trading it, because what will happen is the next week it'll make $3,000. Yeah? But it's just like, you property guys, you don't go sell your house just because the market went down a little bit. You know what I mean? You just deal with it and in 20 years' time you go, wow, that was pretty cool. Yeah? So just have the same attitude about your trading and, yeah, right.
Exactly. So what options you've got is you can self-trade, right? So Kel, under his tutelage, will teach you how to trade. Myself and the other team of traders will go through all of that. You can subscribe to the Signal service where you're getting all of the traders' trades. Now, some of them may be 5, 10 a day, some may be just one every couple of days, or maybe a bit longer. But the idea is just to be patient, place the trades, and just set and forget. Right? Or you can just totally auto-trade it. Now, because we've got those team of traders actually all over the place, the aim is they're paid on performance base to get between 500 and 1,000 pips a month. That's what the aim of all of the traders are to get for our clients. Now, the beauty of that is it allows you to have a steady flow of income, 24 hours a day, that's totally automated. Right? It's perfect for people that are time poor, people that are lazy. You don't need a computer, you don't need a computer access, you don't need a phone, you don't need anything. You just deposit your money through the broker account and then it gets automatically traded as a group on a PAM account. And all of our traders receive exactly the same signals and then it's done up, divided like that. So you don't need any of this. And this is seriously making money while you sleep. So imagine having access to just some of the results. Some of you may just want to trade commodities, right? Just trade the world's food supply. Others of you may just want to do foreign exchange, right? Money, show me the money. Who's heard of that term? Exactly. Why not be the bank? You know what, actually, I just opened a company the other day because I made a bucket load of money from that house. How much did I make? $1 million. Well, it's actually 998,000 or whatever it is. So because now that actually exploded my trading account to now, instead of trading $20,000 trading accounts, now up to $2,000 trading accounts, $200,000 ones, I opened a new company through 21st Century. And I called it Lucrative Trading. Alright? Lucrative Trading. You can't go, there's no website there, you can't buy anything, it's just my family's trading company. But then I also opened, remember Jamie's structure is, diversify your income, make multiple streams of income, trading, property, business, motivate, whatever you want to do, right? Have it structured properly, right? Mine's through discretionary trust. And then what I've done is now I've had to open a bucket company. In the book where he talks about bucket company, so you can pull your money in there. And I've called that the bank, BANQUE. Get it? Oh, some of you do. I forgot I was in Queensland. Sorry. But that's the thing. When you start getting money and you start making money from the things that you've learnt, that's the sort of stuff that you can do. And it's really cool to be able to do that. All I've got to do is just pay my children, beneficiaries. right? They're the ones that are going to reap this, because it's about generational wealth. It's not just how much money I can make while I'm here right now. Does that make sense? Okay, so these are just other screenshots. You can get access to all of these screenshots, but down the bottom, it's got the actual trade. But more importantly, the email on the bottom, it's got, for those members with the auto trading facility switched on, this has already been actioned for you. Okay, so that's absolute peace of mind that you don't have to worry about it. Right? You can go off and do the stuff you want to do. So some other trades that have come in. This is a pretty good week. It was like 526 pips. Right, and that's what happens when you've got the power of a lot of people placing trades. Right, so who'd be happy with 5.2 in 4 days? Anybody? Yeah, a couple of you. Excellent. So we've got an email from a lady who made $520 while she slept. Now, how much would she have been trading? What would have been her pip size? $1 a pip. Right, because we made 526 pips of profit, yeah? And she made $520. Right, so she was trading mini pips. Okay, so we've got another one where these are just more results. These come in all the time, and what you need to do is work out how many pips you're going to make. So 400 pips, that's a pretty good week, Kel, yeah? Yeah. Not bad. So this is another example of a client that emailed in. They started with $10,000 a month ago. There were no trades on the auto trader for the first 3 weeks as the market wasn't giving Kel any clear indications. In the last few days, Kel has been trading with a vengeance. On Tuesday, his account went from $10,000 to $12,000. We're absolutely thrilled. Danced around the house, and on Thursday it was sitting at $17,408. So these results are real, right? You're not always going to have massive, awesome results. Who thinks that they may lose certain trades? Okay, know it, right? Because you will. You will lose. But if you set yourself up, you get the right education, you get the right signals, you get the right mentor, then you can adjust to that. As I say, we've got a team of traders that just call the signals. All of our professional traders trading different time zones. Plus we've got Kel Butcher, right? Now these are just results from this week, the 5th of November. This is just actual screenshots of the traders' trading capital. So in one particular one, it's $5,737 just in 1 day. So this particular trader took, well, I didn't do it all, but he took 32 trades. So remember, that's their sole role. That's what they do. Particularly the ones that are around the prop traders, they just have to trade lots and lots of trades per day. So 5.7 on that one, so daily profit of 5.7, there's the equity curve, right? And that's just one period, right? One of the other MT traders made $1,700, obviously less than his counterpart. However, it's still a good profit, right? And these are automated to you guys, right? These are signals automated to you. You just have to work out your pip size, right? So that's a daily profit of $1,776. And we have the multi-auto trading system, which is up to, there's the equity curve. And that's just from the 2nd of November to the 5th of November. So they've made $8,000 just in that short time period. So we've got traders all around the world, Europe, Switzerland, Australia, and that's what they do, is just scout Forex opportunities 24 hours a day, right? They do it for you. Right, until you get to a point where you can actually do it yourself. So those people who want to come on board...
Can I go now?
No, you can't go, because you're the guest. So this is the course. You're going to receive all the trade alerts, the 3 months, SMS and email alerts for every single trade that they take. Some of you may go, too many trades. But remember, you don't have to take them all, right? You just select the trades you want to take. You'll also get 3 months Auto Trader. So even if you don't want to, set up the Auto Trader account, just let them trade on your behalf, right? Now you get that automatically, SMS, email support, and a 5-year membership. Now it's not just a one-off set and forget. You get access to this for 5 years, the course membership, 21st Century Forex. I've had a bit of a stoppage. So what will happen is, in the next week or two, you'll get a heap of DVDs sent out, which is filmed on, this time last year, by Kel. Now, Kel will run through on the DVDs, technical analysis, all those subjects that are up there, psychology, risk management, etc. So DVDs will arrive to you, plus a big 200-page manual that Kel wrote, and his books. Okay, so you've got the SMSs, the alerts, the DVDs, right, and you've also got the 2-day workshop. Now, the beautiful thing about the 2-day workshop, this is the perfect opportunity where it's just you and Kel and the other traders. Some of the brokers may be there as well. However, it's the opportunity for you to do one-on-one time with him. So it's just him and just currency and commodities traders. Right, so day one, we'll go through all the basics of trading. Charts, how to set them up, teaching you price bars, trend lines, support and resistance, moving averages, all of those basic things. And then Sunday, we'll actually teach you the actual strategies for you to actually just, if you don't need Kel anymore, right, you can just go off on your own and do that. Okay, so you get to bring your husband, ladies. It's good when they rock up because they learn something. So also, men, you can bring your wives, your spouses. And we have trading workshops everywhere. Like, it's about 5 times a year we have them. We have them in New Zealand, we have them all in most capital cities in Australia. You also get access to a members area that's got a lot of videos and things. But that's pretty much the course. 5-year membership, the DVDs, the home study course, the buy and sell signals. Access to some phenomenal traders around the world that are handpicked by 21st Century. But the best part of everything is that there's no risk on this course at all, because it's got a 100% money back guarantee. Now, I don't know of any other trading programs apart from 21st Century that actually offers you a 100% money back guarantee. So what does that mean? That means you come to the workshop. If you decide that it's not for you, which is in 2 weeks' time, right? You enrol with us today, you decide that this is not for you, you come to the workshop in 2 weeks' time and go, this is not for me. It may be, it doesn't suit your lifestyle, you may not like to trade, you may not like it, you may not like Kel, you may not like me, you may not like the product. Doesn't really matter. We actually want you to come to us. We ask that you come to us and ask for a refund, because we know it's not for everybody, right? And the only reason it's not for everybody because that's the way trading is. And people don't know that until they've actually experienced it. They know it after a couple of weeks whether it's for them or not. Does that make sense? Right? So, unless you make yourself a priority, right? Because it's about you. It's not about us, it's about you. You won't change anything. Right? So that we've totally de-risked the program for you. Right? So you try it, you start getting signals, even on sim, in live, and then weigh it up from there. You also get access to Kel's phenomenal results from the commodities that we just showed you. Meat, soft, grains, indexes. Now, you guys will get to meet Jamie McIntyre tomorrow morning. You get him for like 3 or 4 hours. This company's been around for 12 years, and we've had many people try to do something similar to 21st Century Education. Hundreds have come by and try to do it. But no one does, because our core products work, and our core product is the 21st Century 5-year membership. Right? And in that, it is 100 hours of DVDs on various financial strategies. Share renting, property investment, internet marketing, business, tax, asset protection, structures, the list goes on. But you also get access to his big 4-day seminars, right? The property investment seminars, which you're going to learn a phenomenal strategy tomorrow from our property team. The Think and Grow Rich seminars, don't you go anywhere, Kel. And our Internet and Business Mastery, which is held up on the Gold Coast every year. So it's 5-year membership. And as I said, that was the program that I bought back then, 5 years ago. And it's absolutely changed everything I do, because it was the foundation. If you've got a steady foundation, strong foundation, then you can build these other things. But Forex guys, you guys are going to get this as part of that. So you're going to get that for free. Now it's decision time, really. It's pretty much up to you. Now, it doesn't mean anything to me if you don't go forward with this program, because Kel and I and our other traders will keep making money, right? This is about a commitment to you, right? Now, if you decide yes is for you, that's an awesome decision. If you decide no is a decision for you, that is an awesome decision. Because why? Because you made a goddamn decision, right? So just be firm on that. Now, as I said, the reason I got out of the army 20 years is because my reason why was strong, burning desire. I am now living the 5 years that I set for myself way back then as a result of this program, right? I have, look at my trading account, $4,640,000. Is that such a figure? 464,000. That's my trading account as of the 21st of October. Who would like a trading account with that sort of money in it? There is no reason why you guys can't get a trading account or get a property account with that. If I can do it, a soldier of 21 years, a mother, a wife, a bloody hard worker, if I can do this, anyone here can do it. Because one, the difference between where you are now and where you want to get to are 2 things. It's knowledge and action, right? Knowledge is power. It's applied knowledge is power. You need to stand up, make the decision, commit to you, not to me, not to the program, not to Jamie, not to Kel. Make a commitment to yourself, and if this is for you, go for it, because we will hold your hand. I will personally guide you along the way, because I'm a woman of my word. I protected you for 20 years, and I'll go ahead protecting you. That's just the way I am. That's the soldier in me, right? That's my role in life. So your next step is you make a commitment to you, right? You set up your trading account today. You start receiving SMS and email alerts. Well, it'll probably be Monday. You get the DVDs sent out to you, the home study, the manual, etc. You book into the next 2-day workshop, which is here in 2 weeks' time. Perfect for you guys. Remember, if this is not for you, get out. Just come here on that day, say, Lou, it's not for me. I go, cool. Give me your DVDs back. Right? That's it. There's nothing to lose. We've totally de-risked it. Auto trade while you're learning. Enroll now, because I'll still be making money regardless. Okay, so let's make this happen. My name is Lou Harty. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kel, for joining us this weekend. For those people, get started, go up and see those two girls now. Thank you.